Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this wood round that I got at Walmart. I believe it's like 7, maybe 8-inch round. And I'm going to give it a coat of white paint. And I'm just using acrylic paint because I'm going to decoupage over it. Next, I'm going to take a coat of Mod Podge and I'm just going to put a layer of Mod Podge on here and then just let that dry. Next, I'm going to take this vintage style napkin that I had in my napkin bundles. I took it down to 1 ply. And I'm going to use the 2 little girls here. And I'm just going to lay that right on top of the wood round. And then I'm going to cover that with some parchment paper. And then I'm going to iron that on. I'm just trying to get it exactly where I want it. I don't want to cut off too much of the features of the napkin. So I'm just going to give that a good iron. I'm using this is a regular iron, just a travel one. It's just smaller. And I'm using high heat with no steam. Once I have that all attached, I'm just going to take my sander and sand off all of the excess. So just sand all the way around and pull off that excess napkin. Once I have that all sanded, I am going to start adding faux snow all the way around the edges. As you can tell, my napkin didn't go all the way to the edge, so I'm going to fill this in with the snow. Once I have that all filled in, I'm going to take some pink glitter. And I'm going to put that right on top of that faux snow all the way around. I'm also going to use some white glitter as well. So just going all the way around, putting that right on top of the faux snow. And then I'm going to add some of this white glitter as well. And then I'm just going to bang off the excess. Once I have that all done, I'm going to set that aside and let it dry completely. And then I'm going to take this snowflake from Dollar Tree and I cut off the hanger. And I'm going to paint this whole snowflake with a light pink color. So I'm going to paint just around all of the edges. I'm not going to worry about the center too much. I am going to go somewhat into the center enough that when I put my round in, you won't see the wood. So just going around this whole thing on the edges and just using that light pink. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take some white paint onto a bristled brush and just kind of splatter the white paint all the way around the whole snowflake over the pink. And I'm just using a stencil brush to do this. I didn't have my toothbrush handy. It works better when you use a toothbrush. Next, I'm going to use this glitter paint that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to paint right over all of that pink. As you can see, it's just going to give it a little bit of an extra sparkle. And I'm going to go all the way around the whole snowflake using that. And for some reason, this didn't get caught on film, but I glued my circle to the center of the snowflake and I added a pipe cleaner hanger. Finally, I'm going to take and add this sparkly white bow to the top. And then I had a silver snowflake and I'm going to add that to the center of the bow. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I love how it's different. I love that it's pink and fun and has that vintage vibe to it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.